Friends, as you know, today's era is a digital era, and in this digital world, making your business digital has become a necessity today. To make your business digital, Marg ERP brings for you a money-making website. Yes, you heard that right, a money-making website. Marg brings for its users the MargMart website, which you can easily create in just a few clicks. It will be completely your own e-commerce website that will be connected online to your Marg ERP database, meaning customer orders will come directly to your MargMart. Your stock will be live updated on your website. Items can be removed or uploaded to the website directly from the software. Rates, schemes, and much more can be changed within the software. And whatever you update in the software will also be updated on your website. Now, let's see how you can create your own website through Marg. For this, come to Marg Software, and from Digital, come to MargMart.com. This is how the window will open, and here, the business type that you selected at the time of company registration, like whether you are a manufacturer, distributor, retailer, or both retailer and distributor will be selected here. For example, here, distributor is selected, then you will select your business rate, like whether you deal in pharma, groceries, apparel, etc. Next are working hours, where you will select your business working hours or timings, and if you operate in shifts, then you can select the timings accordingly. For example, here, all days is selected. Here are the working days, and by default, all days are selected. If your business or company is open all week, then keep them selected. Or if it is closed on Sunday or any other day, then deselect that. For example, right now, we deselect Friday. After filling in all these details, click on Save and open my website, and this type of form will open. This is the registration page. Fill in all the personal details here. Now, mention your name, phone number, email, country, city, state, PIN code, and address. After that, select Accept Terms and Conditions and click on the Next button to move to the Company Details section. Here, provide your company name. After this, there is a short URL code where you can select what URL you want. Based on your business, suggested URLs will also be provided, from which you can choose or mention any URL you wish to have. GSTN, Unique License ID, Business Type, and Sub-Business Type, and then click on the Next button. Now choose a template for your website, and click on Select Template button. Now here are two options to build your website, Auto Build and Manual Build. If you choose Auto Build, then your website will be automatically ready. But here, we are showing the manual build method. If you have your company logo, then upload it here, or also you can skip it and update it later. And to move forward, click Next. Here, upload the banner that you want or skip it. Also, you can choose the banner that is already given and click Next. Now, upload deal banner or choose from the given banners. If you don't want to upload deal banner, just skip it and click Next. On the next page, provide additional details such as timing, working days, about us, short description and terms and conditions, and click on Submit and Continue, and in this way, the short URL will be displayed here. You can see the URL, and along with it, a QR code will also be generated. Whenever a customer scans this QR code, they will be directly redirected to your website. If you wish, you can also download it. Now, click on Admin Login. Here you can see sections of username and password. For password, go to your registered email ID and an email will appear, where you can create your password. Then open your email and click on. Click here to generate password, enter the password, confirm it, and submit it to activate your account successfully. Click on Back to Login, enter your email ID and password, and log in. Now simply go to MargMart.com, click on Product Upload, and a pop-up will appear. Click on the OK button, then you can see all your products. Here you can select the products you want to upload. If you want to upload all products at once, click Select All. Now go to the Rate Selection option, where you can select the rate at which you want the product to be displayed. You can also upload products according to stock product, working items, and filter by category and others. Now click on Select Image. A window for product images will open. If an image was already set in the item master, it will show here. If there is no image, click Select, upload the image and save it. Select the product and click Upload. Now can see a pop-up message of product data successfully imported. Click OK to move forward. Now go to Catalog on the website, click on Products, and you will see the product displayed here on the panel. Your website is ready now. Next, let's see how customers can place an order on your website. For this, the customer will need to complete a small registration process. They can click on the profile icon, click on Register, and fill in the details like name, number, etc. And click on Create Account. Now you will get OTP on the given number, verify it and complete the registration. To place an order, go to MargMart. Website, click on the product button, choose the product, and if you want to buy it later, click on the Add to Cart button, or if you want to buy it now, then click on Buy Now. Click on Add New Address, provide all the required details such as name, number, address, etc., and click the Save button. If they want to pick up the order themselves, they can select Self Pickup. Next, click on Submit Order. Now you see your order successfully placed. Now open the Marg software and click on MargMart.com, and you will see the order on the right side of the panel. Click on it and then accept the order. After that, a pop-up will appear if the order is successful. Simply click OK. Now, open the MargMart dashboard. First, go to CMS, click on Add Page, and select Page Titles from here. We have given you pre-made page titles, such as Terms and Conditions, About Us, and Short Description. If you have already provided them during the registration process, then move forward. Here we are selecting Terms and Conditions. Then select the page status, like whether you want this page to be active on the website. Select Yes or No. Here we are selecting Yes. Similarly, mention the meta title, meta keyword, and meta content, and click Save. If you want to change the status of any page, you can activate or deactivate it from here, or edit or delete it. Next is Banners. Here you will see the banners you have already uploaded. To create a new banner, click on Add Banner. Select the banner title from here. We have given you pre-made banner titles, like Home, Deals, and About Us. Here, we are selecting Home. If you want to add text to the banner, mention it in banner content. Click the banner status, whether you want this banner to be active on the website. Select Yes or No accordingly. Here we are selecting Yes. Click on the camera icon, select the banner, and save it. Similarly, upload the Deals and Offers banners. If you want to change the status of any banner, you can activate or deactivate it from here, or edit or delete it. After that, click on the Social Links tab. Click on the Add Socials button. Here you can see a window to create socials and provide the details of the social name, description, logo, and URL link. Click on the Create button and it will display here. Just click on the Activate button to activate it. Now, let us see the preview of the website. Before that, remember that once your website is ready, if you want to see its preview or see how it will look to customers visiting your website, first activate it. If you do not activate it, it will not be visible to customers. So to activate it, go to the dashboard, and on the upper right side you can see the button to activate and deactivate your website. Click on the Activate button, and your website will show to your customers. To activate the website, go to the profile icon, then Settings. Click on Advanced Setting. On the Shipping Charges page, you will find two input fields. First is the minimum order amount for shipping charge here. Enter the minimum order amount that requires a shipping charge. If an order total is below this amount, a shipping charge will be applied. Then second is shipping price. When order amount less than and equal, specify the shipping price for orders that meet or exceed the given amount. After entering both fields, click the Save button. Next, click on Payment Gateway. Setting here, select a delivery option, Marg Platform for System Managed Delivery or Self-Delivery, to handle it yourself. Select a payment mode, Pay Now, Pay Later, or both for flexibility. Pick a payment structure, then click Submit to save. Now go to Website Activation section under SEO and Analytics. Enter your meta keywords, description, Google Analytics ID, and Google Site Verification and click Submit button to boost your site's visibility. Control customer access with customer login authentication. Enable or disable login as needed. Manage your website status with a single click. Activate to go live or deactivate to temporarily disable it. For pricing control, choose to show or hide distributor pricing. Activate your website by entering your license key and hitting Submit. Finally, customize your online store by selecting a website template and clicking Submit to apply. Now select Domain Mapping from the sidebar. Next, click Create Your Store. QR Code. Download or share the generated QR code for easy access to your store. Now enter your domain name. Example, yourstorename.com. In the domain name field. Under SSL upload, upload your SSL certificates. If you want to learn more about domain mapping, please watch the video in the description. Click Browse next to .pem file and select your certificate. Click Browse next to .key file and select your private key. Now click on Customer Registration setting. Choose how customers register, via mobile or email. Just click on your preferred option. Here we are choosing mobile. Select your preferred currency. Click the drop-down and choose from rupee, dollar, euro, or taka. Here we are selecting dollar. Once done, click Submit to save your settings. Now go to Advanced Settings section. You can customize various features of your online store with a simple Enable or Disable option. Negative stock billing. Decide whether to allow billing for out-of-stock items. Add to cart and buy. Now, enable or disable the option for instant purchase. Live chat. Activate real-time chat support for customer engagement. Two-factor authentication. Enable it and enter timing in hours and click on Create button. After that, you can see your two-factor code displayed on the screen. About Us. Enable or disable the About Us section on your website. Enable quotation. Allow customers to request price quotes. Show base value. Enable or disable the base value of products. Once you've made the necessary changes, your settings will be updated instantly. That's it. Now to view your website, and click on Website and you will be redirected to your website. Now click on the Catalog tab. Here you can see products you uploaded from the software earlier. It may take 5 to 6 minutes, and it will show details of total products, active products, and inactive products. In case you want to filter the product list, then enable the Filters option, and then you can filter it by product name, SKU number, brand name, and status. On this page, you can see your product list details such as image, product ID, update date, SKU, product name, status, and action of all uploaded products. You can enable or disable any product through status, keep it enabled, and you can also edit, delete, or copy the product and see the product by clicking on the redirect link through action. By clicking on the copy icon, you can copy the product link to share with anybody. If you want to add new products, then click on the Add Product button. Provide the details such as product name, SKU number, and fast search number. Optional. Click on the Status tab. Here you can see the Enable and Disable options and choose Enable. Provide the product description and click Next. Now provide more information about the product you are adding. First is categories. For example, if you deal in different categories, like selling medicines, healthcare devices, fitness supplements, etc. Here, choose the categories from the available ones. Or you can also create new categories by clicking on the plus button. Click on the Next. Here you can find various fields. All the fields are not mandatory except packaging distributors and retailers. UPC, Universal Product Code. Unique Barcode for Product Identification. HSN, Harmonized System of Nomenclature. GST Classification Code for Products. Data available. From date when the product becomes accessible for buying. Sort order defines that in case your product quantity reaches below the put-in value, you will receive a mail for the product quantity status. Brand name, manufacturer, or product brand identification. Minimum sale quantity. Minimum units required for purchase. Maximum. Order quantity for distributor or retailer. Upper purchase limit for distributors and retailers. Packaging distributors या retailers. Specific distributors allowed for packaging. Salt या others. Key ingredient or additional product details. Skip quantity. Buy. It means if you want to sell a product in bundle method, for example in a pair of 2, 4, 6, 8 or 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Enable quotation request. Allows customers to request price quotes for bulk buying. Negative stock billing. Allowed. Permits billing even if stock is negative. However, in case you have not switched on this function and the quantity goes to 0, the product will be automatically disabled and will not be displayed to your customers. Mandatory prescription. Requires prescription for purchase of pharma products, applicable to the pharma industry. After completing details, click Next. Here, upload an image of the product you are uploading. Considering your first image is your thumbnail image where the maximum size is 400 kilobytes, whereas after that all the images have a max size of 2 megabytes. And click Next. Now go to the video section. It is not mandatory, but if you have an embed YouTube video link, or if you have another video of the product, then select as per your requirement. Paste the link and click Next. In Related Product, choose the products that are related to the product you are uploading. In this way, related products will be shown below the main product on the website. Go to the Conversion tab. It is not mandatory. If you have your conversion data, then set it here. Unit first, strip, base selling unit. Unit second, box, contains 10 strips. Unit third, carton, contains 100 strips. Conversion quantity, 1 strip as the base unit. Conversion box, 1 box equals 10 strips. Conversion case, 1 carton equals 100 strips. Now go to the SEO section. It is also not mandatory. If you want to upload it for SEO purposes, then you can do it here. Provide the meta tag title, meta tag keyword, and meta tag description. This keyword is related to your product and click Next. This is to improve the presence of your product on your website. Now scroll down the page and please select a price option from default or variant price. In the default price, enter the product barcode. It is not mandatory. And then set the default price for the distributor and retailer, including MRP, discount, tax, and product quantity. In the variant price, click the Select Variant Names. If you deal in batches and variants, for example, size, color, flavor, etc., where prices may be different or the same, you may use variants for your product creation. Click on the Update Variant and Price button. Now you can see if your product in the product list is updated or created. Now, if you want to upload the product in bulk, then click on the Import Product button and then the Download zip file. Open it and add all the details mentioned in the file, such as product name, SKU, fast search number, product description. All the fields marked with Start are mandatory and others are not. After mentioning the details, save the file and then click on the Browse and Upload File button. Select the file from the browser and upload it. In case of updating your products, go to the Export Product tab and click on the Export Product button. Update the details you want to change, but be careful, you are not required to change the product ID or M code. However, changing those things may result in the corrupt of your data. You are free to change anything else. When uploading product images, you are required to mention the fields in the image column, for example, abcd.png or abcd.jpg. These are only 2 formats acceptable, where ABCD is the product name and .png, .jpg, .jpeg are the image formats. In the case of the keyword, it is related to your product search function. All the fields marked with Start are mandatory and others are not. After mentioning the details, save the file and then click on the Upload Zip File button. Select the file from the browser and upload it. Now, if you want to delete any of the uploaded products, then simply select the boxes and click on the Delete Selected button. Next is category. For example, if you deal in different categories, like selling medicines, healthcare devices, fitness supplements, etc., you can create different categories. For this, click on Add Category. Then mention the category name. Like if you deal in healthcare devices, mention the name of the category under healthcare devices. Like oximeter, you can also mention meta tag title, meta tag description, and meta tag keyword. Then click on Upload Picture to upload the image for the particular category. Next, select the parent category, like healthcare devices, and select the status. Then save it. In this way, the category will be created and shown in the list. From here, you can add it or delete a particular category. If you wish, click on Import Export button to upload the product category in bulk. For this, first click on Download Zip File to download the zip file. Try to click and extract the zip file, open the Excel file, and in this file format, mention the product categories together and keep the product images in the category folder. Then convert the category folder into zip. Then upload it here. Make sure to upload the zip file. You will see all the uploaded categories displayed here. In this way, you can create categories. Next is brand. And from here, you can create different brands. Simply click on Add Brand, mention the brand name, upload a photo, mention the status, and save it. Next is coupons. From here, click on Coupons to create a coupons for customers. Simply mention the coupons code, coupons name, and select the status. then enter the coupon's value. You can mention the coupon's value in rupees or percentages. If you wish, select the start and end date of the coupons. Then mention the minimum or maximum purchase amount. Like if you mentioned 500 as the minimum, it means the coupons can be used on a minimum purchase of 500 rupees. Next is the number of times the user can use a coupons, which means how many times the customer can use a coupons. Then number of card items the coupons code applies to, which means how many items in the card must be there for the coupons to apply. In products applicable for this coupons, select which products this coupons will apply to. Select the products from the list here. If you want the coupons to apply to all items, click the checkbox here. Then in Select Customer, select the customers who can use this coupons. After mentioning all the coupon details, save it. Next is Delivery Agent. From here, you can upload the details of your delivery agents. For this, click on Add Delivery Boy. Mention the agent's name, phone number, address, email ID, profile picture, ID proof image, then save it. In this way, the delivery agent details will be shown in the list. Next, go to Sales Type, and first, there are pending orders. This means the orders placed by customers will be shown here, and you can approve or reject the order. Here, you can see total orders today. The approved orders will be shown under Approved Orders, and if an order is rejected for any reason, it will come under Failed Orders. Next, go to Pending Delivery. Now, for the orders that need to be delivered, click on the added icon corresponding to that order. You will select the delivery date and delivery time, and also select the agent responsible for the delivery. Next, select the reminder date and time of the delivery to remind you when the delivery needs to be made. Then click on Processing to Delivery, and once the delivery is completed, mark it as delivered to update its status. Next is the payment step, where you can see which order payment has been collected and which hasn't. For the order whose payment has been collected, click on the added icon, mention the payment date, payment mode, and description, and save it. Next is the inventory, where you can see the total number of products you have, how many of them are active, and how many are inactive. In the Delivered Orders section, you will see the list of orders that have been delivered and those that haven't. Now, moving on to the next step, go to the Customer. First, there is a Customer tab where you will see the list of your registered customers. In Testimonials, you can see the testimonials of your customers. You can also enable or disable a particular testimonial from here. Next is Completed Query and Pending Query, which means the details of the quotations sent by customers that you have approved or rejected will be shown here. The next step is Reports. In the Sales Report, you can see the sales report of your registered customers. You can see how much each customer has purchased. Click on the View button to see how many items a particular customer purchased on a specific date and what the total amount was. If you click on the arrow next to the bill number, you can also view the complete details. Next is the Product Report, where you can see the total sales quantity of products, total product count, total tax amount, total item discount, and total sales amount. You can also click on the View button to see the details of a particular product per day. Now, go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see total orders, payments, products, and customers. You can also see top-selling products, monthly sales, daily visitors, recent customer visits to your website, and recent selling products. So friends, in this way, you can design your own website on Marg and make your business digital, growing it many times over. Thanks for watching.